The tools on the right side of the canvas allow you to view or edit individual factor content and style. The properties and styling tools are also available next to each factor on the diagram canvas when individual or multiple factors are selected. If you have editor permissions, factor names can be quickly edited by double-clicking on the factor. For additional factor editing, click on the Factor Properties button next to a selected factor or in the toolbar at the right side of the canvas. Within the Factor Properties panel, use the double arrows at the upper right to expand and collapse all of the primary content sections. Related factors, such as objectives, activities, and indicators, can also be accessed through the Properties menu. Return to the primary factor by clicking on Return at the top of the panel. If you have editor permissions, a pencil icon provides access to the editor window, where text can be edited, hyperlinked, and formatted. Note that the formatting here does not affect how the factor text appears in the diagram. We'll cover factor styling tools a little later in the video. Also in Factor Properties, progress reports can be created and edited, related factors can be added, such as objectives and indicators, and program-level classifications can be edited. To enable quick editing in the diagram, the Factor Properties panel will stay open as you navigate through different factors in the diagram. To collapse the Factor Properties panel, click anywhere on the white space in the diagram canvas, or click on the Factor Properties icon in the right-hand menu. The Factor Styling tool allows you to edit factor text size, color, and style. Use the paintbrush icon next to any selected factor to access the styling tools, or click on the paintbrush at the right side of the canvas. To edit the style for multiple factors at once, select multiple factors by using Shift plus Select or by clicking and dragging the mouse cursor to select multiple factors.